This is the first of a 5-part series on data quality. Here I explain what it is and how it is quantified and communicated. Hilltop software can store a quality value with your measurement, and this value is made up of 2 parts, an uncertainty and a quality code. As any scientist worth their salt knows, the true value of a measurement falls within a range, rather than being an exact quantification. This can be reported as actual value equals measurement plus or minus uncertainty. The National Quality Code Schema is part of the National Environmental Monitoring Standards. It's a numeric index that runs from 100 to 699, and multiples of 100 have a standardized meaning. The idea is that the codes are understandable, consistent in application, and reproducible. It was set up so that the data collection methods, data limitations, and the intended purpose of the original datasets is known by end users across multiple organizations now and in the future. Let's have a look at viewing quality data in Manager. Manager has a special view mode just for quality data, and you get there by clicking here. Your tree control may shrink like this one has, as this view hides the actual data and only shows the quality data. As usual, you click on your site and measurement of interest to get a graph, only in this case it's a graph of the quality codes. Press F4 and the quality data is listed below the graph. You can see the uncertainty here, and the quality codes are in this column. If you try this at home and you don't see uncertainty, go to Configure, Graphs, and tick the box. Quality codes will always be shown in Quality Data View regardless of whether this is ticked. Okay, now that you've had a gander at them, let's talk about what these values actually mean. Starting with quality codes. These are the numbers in the index that have standardized meaning. QC100 is for missing record, so where there is a gap marker in your data, the software will assign a quality code of 100. QC200 can be thought of as for when you decide not to assign a quality code of 300 or above. QC300 is for synthetic data, and the rest are for poor, fair, and good quality data respectively. 0 is not in the standard, and whilst you wouldn't assign QC0 to your data, the software will assign it in the absence of anything else. And now for uncertainties. Think of it as a normal distribution, where the mean is the value you measured, and the uncertainty is the standard deviation. Now, by convention, water quality scientists express the uncertainty at the 68% confidence limit, so the uncertainty is equal to the standard deviation. Hydrologists, on the other hand, put the uncertainty of a stream flow gauging at a 95% confidence limit, and now the uncertainty is twice the standard deviation. For example, a flow given by a hydrologist as 2,400 plus or minus 190 cumex is really 2,400 plus or minus 95 cumex to a water quality scientist. You're not asked to enter the confidence limit for an uncertainty value, so just be aware of this difference and understand what your office practice is, especially if you're talking to someone on the other side of the fence. Now that you've got all that, keep watching to learn how to assign quality data in Hilltop.